Mina ngisicathulo, bonke abantu banyathela ngami. I am a shoe, Everyone uses me to step on the ground. Good evening, everyone. First question. What's the one common thing that we all have in common in the room? We are all working that pair of shoes, right? And then coming to think of it, we wear our shoes when you go to school, we wear our shoes when you go to work, we use them when you go to gym, we use our shoes when you play sports, soccer, rugby, cricket, and swimming. Oops, my bad. You can obviously jump into a pool of water wearing your Burberry kicks. Okay, and coming to think of it as well, but then let us also kindly take time to think and absorb about the following questions. Do we really show our shoes the love and the care they deserve? My bad. Do I personally have the necessary skills, expertise, knowledge, and experience to clean my own shoes? Do I really, really, really love my shoes? And then do I thoroughly check my shoes? Do I thoroughly check my shoes to see if there's any bad smelling, to see if there's any loose stitches or any damages to the shoe? And then is there a need for shoe cleaning? In these tough economic times, it is quite expensive to continuously buy new shoes now and again. So why buy new shoes while you can have your shoes repaired, revived, and restored for you, and also offer you an exclusive shoe maintenance service? Cinderella is proof that a pair of shoes can change one's life forever. Shoes are the finishing touch on any outfit. So you need to make sure you have the perfect pair to complete that perfect look. We at the Shoe Cleaning Company, we will prolong, revive, provide you with interior and exterior shoe cleaning, fight hygiene, and offer you an exclusive shoe maintenance service, shoe repairs, shoe accessories, and shoe cosmetics. Not forgetting the fact that the corporate side of things, we also offer you a deep cleaning service whereby we collect and drop off your shoes at your office space. We also offer you a super cool Wi-Fi enabled shoe shine service right at your office space. Play a game, listen to music, browse company news, browse business news, and then not forgetting the fact that we also help you make the event shine.
Sometimes when the evening starts, the pitches take a bit of time to take off and the crowd doesn't ever quieten down like this so quickly. I think the performance you brought to your pitch was awesome. I love that you sang, I love that you asked questions, you were quite engaging. So from my side, well done.
Pitch, but I just want to know how much is the service?
Okay, when it comes to cleaning shoes, we charge as per condition, but then it is from $120, depending on the type and the make of shoe.
Have you considered approaching, I don't want to say office parks, huge offices, office buildings, especially here in Johannesburg?
100%, yes. Our main focus for this year, it is obviously shifting our focus into the corporate side of things. Like I said earlier on, this is whereby we, at the moment, we've got our Liberty. We do our work, some work for them, whereby on a specific day, we go to the company, collect whatever the shoes that we're cleaning, and obviously deliver them on a specific date once that has been done. So we are obviously shifting our focus onto the corporate sector.